Yay! I'm just about to do a quick Carrie costume. I like to get my creative juices flowing, so see how I like to put this together. I'm wearing a crown that I actually made for my 30th birthday. I'm about to make that my prom queen crown. If you don't know, Carrie was a movie about a girl. She had like telekinesis. She could move things. Her mom couldn't stand it because she was like Amish religious, and the kids at school made fun of her, calling her a freak, and then she killed everyone. But there was like this scene where she had, they spilled a bucket of blood all over her, and that's what I want to be tonight. The pieces that I need to do my prom dress, she wore a blue long one, but it's Halloween, so I gotta be a little slutty. So I'm wearing this like short dress, sparkly dress that gave prom vibes. Now that I told you, I'm just reusing that from my birthday. This sash I actually got at Hobby Lobby. It was on sale. Bridal stuff is on sale right now. It used to be like a bride-to-be thing, but I'm gonna write prom queen on it instead. Oh, my shoes. These are like some old shoes. I bought a lot of crappy stuff for that 30th birthday. I want to write prom queen in black and also put some glitter on my shoe. I got this pint of blood from Party City. It was like $11. And then I got like my crafty stuff from a $1.25 tree, aka Dollar Tree. It's like liquid adhesive. I don't know how useful that would be. Some black acrylic paint, some glitter, paint brushes. I got some like mini like push pin pearls I wanted to put on the shoes because there's pearls on the dress. And then that's about it. So watch me get all that situated or put that together and see how it comes out. It's Halloween, so it's gonna be a fun time. I'm gonna try and put like maybe some pearls across the top of here, around, and then glitter around the bottom. These push pin pearls. You see that? I like it because it's like double lined, so the pins they go right on. I don't even have to glue them on. They're just there. Cute. So there's those. Now I'm going to add this like sticky, sparkly stuff across the top. go to do something really quick, like people are running behind. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. It's already 8:39 and I'm supposed to be at the bar at 8:30. But I'm just gonna do something real quick. I want to put a little bit of blood right here and then some blood dripping down my eyes right here. Does that sound good? By blood, I mean I'm gonna try a lip stain first and then I'm gonna put some red eyeshadow on it and some gems around it. Yeah. Let's do the eyes. I'm gonna do a little less on this side. Like, you can see how simple this is. Put some rhinestones. I'm using my glue that just came with this. Sometimes normally I just use eyelash glue. You could actually even put it where you want it to go on your face. I mean, like the spot. But I kind of want to just put them sporadically. Use my lovely pen. It's supposed to look like my eyes are bleeding. That's not really giving blood vibes. Okay. Time is not on my side, so I'm just gonna try and put some like on the inside and a little line towards the bottom ends of the blood streaming down my face. You know? It's probably gonna get dry by the time I got there. I shouldn't have done so much. And of course, I'm gonna have a red lipstick, the Ruby Woo. I'm kind of mad at how wide these are. I wish they were a little thinner, but it is what it is. I've got drops dripping down my face. I'm gonna wear my hair down, so I'm not gonna change my earrings. I'm gonna go put blood, a little bit of speckles of blood on my chest, and then blood on my dress, and some specks on my sash, and I'll come out and close out the video with you guys. Okay, so here is the finished product. You can see my bloody creation. These are my shoes. I'm gonna put them on when I get to the car. I hope you guys like that video. Stay tuned for the outro. I'm gonna do like a little a minute like dance outro thing. So either that was at the beginning or you'll see it at the end. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked my outfit. And thanks for joining me. It was simple. My dress was like $9. The sash was $3. The paint was $11. Rhinestones I already had. Makeup, everything else I already had. So yeah, it was really simple. These shoes I already had. Oh, the craft stuff I put on top of it was from the dollar store. $3-4. Bye, you guys. Love you.